how to connect a sub-item of one board to the sub-item of another board. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to connect a sub-item of one board to the sub-item of another. So without much ado, let's start the video. The first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your account. And once when you log in, you can see the boards that I'm working on here at my home page. Now let's just open one board and you can see there are sub-items here. So what are we going to do? We're going to click on here and connect columns or connect to board, sorry. And then we need to select the board that we want to connect it to. Here you go. Create a two-way connection. Connect board. Okay, perfect. Now let's just open this board that we're working on. Okay, first we need to add sub items here. So let's add some sub items. Okay, so we've added the sub items, but let's delete all this for the time being. And we'll have to do it again. So let's just do it again. Connect to board, then select board, and then for B, create a two-way connection, connect boards. We'll do it later. And here you go. Here you have a connection of all the boards that are here. And here we can link it. Just give me a second. Here we can link the boards to these items right away. Here you go.
In sub-items, add connect board column. Select one board and create two-way connection. Open connected board. In sub-items, add a copy of parent column.
Okay, now what do we have to do? We have to go here to sub items and here create a copy of parent column. And here we can connect the sub items again. Here you go. Now we have successfully connected the sub items to. What we can do is we can delete this as we don't need this. It was just done to show you how to connect, but this is what we want. So we have connected the sub items of this group with the sub items of this group. So I hope that you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you with more.